Hi fellas, today on my table it's a Berner BROS 150. The burner is made by Bosch. It's a great tool, and of course it's not a common tool in a workshop because of the Berner brand. Yep, and what the customer told that this tool don't have all the power. I will just try to turn it on now, and we will check. Okay, it works, that's a good sign. Yeah. It really doesn't have all the power. And I suspect that this will be the ball bearings problem, and for that we need to remove the pad here. You can see it's a screw here. Maybe I will take the Allen key. Just try to unscrew the screw. Normally it's go out easily. Okay, here's the screw. Remove the pad, and here we have the AC, we have the ball bearing housing, and okay, I will try to unscrew these two small screws. Okay, now I need to try to take out this AC. Of course, we can try to do that in a simplest way by pulling it out, but normally we will not be able to do that. And now I will try to lift it with 2 screwdrivers. Okay, nope. So I will unscrew the screws and disassemble it a little bit. Okay, yep. Or maybe I will open the carbon brushes, disconnect them or check them. Okay, here we have the carbon brushes, and I need to unscrew the screws here. The small screws is a Torx stand. Just taking the wires up. Getting the screws out, taking the second wires up. Okay, now we can try to remove the carbon brushes. Yeah, as you can see, we need a new carbon brushes. Definitely. I will write it down on my paper. Yep, now we have the 4 screws here, and I will try to unscrew them, and we will check what happens. Just taking out all the 4 screws. And yeah, the armature is out now. Of course it's out of dust and we can hear the dry ball bearing. and it's wobbling, so we definitely need to replace it. And what ball bearing is this? I think it's 626, but of course we need to figure that out. I will try to remove it. Okay, cannot remove it easily now. Maybe I will see the size of it. Of course, if you don't know the model of the ball bearing, you can see it or you can measure it. Okay, it's really small. Saiski F. And it's a 607 ball bearing. 607. Okay. Now we have the AC here, and we need to remove it somehow. Yep, I will take this one a little bit side. Of course, what can we try to do? We can try to hit a little bit the housing. Maybe the armature will go out, but I think not. Okay, that's good. The dust is going out. Okay, I forgot to inspect the armature, and yeah, it looks worn, but still good. Okay, now we need to unscrew the screws here. I will do that with a drill to save the time. Now just lifting it. And we have the winding here, and it's based on the armature, and I think I will try to remove the AC here again with the 2 screwdrivers. I will try to do that. No, okay, I will put in the wires. Just getting it here. Okay. Now, maybe I will get it by pushing on a washer here. No, okay. I can't remember how I removed it the last time. No. And okay. Then I will try the other thing. Let's see, the winding is moving the same as the armature, and I will try to knock out the armature. Nope. Honestly, I really can't remember. Maybe it's tightened somehow. And yeah, it's the must be the ball bearing inside, and it's almost not moving. But really, okay, maybe I'll try to take the ball here, put it here, then put the bolt in wise, and maybe if I will take the longer bolt, I can push everything up. Maybe. I have the bolt here. Okay, this one good bolt, damaged. Okay, then I will try to do that in the previous way I was thinking about. Just screwing the screw in, getting it here, twice, and slightly hammering the part. Nope, not got it out. I definitely will try that again. Of course, I can try to put all the part here in a vise, but I think my vise will not hold it. Nope. Still cannot get it out. It's strange. Okay, I will check. Maybe the thread here is going till the end. Yeah. Still, I think I can punch the armature out. Yeah, I think they can do that. Yeah. Can't do that. I don't know. Okay, I think I have figured out how I can do that. I'm putting the screw into the. Okay, how to put it here now, guys. I'm putting the screw here, and I will try to spin it. I need to hold the part here and back to the normal view. just spinning the screw, and I hope the screw will push out the part. Yep, it's going out. Okay, so we did it. Just taking the screw out. Okay, we have the ball bearing here, the big ball bearing, and okay, what ball bearing it is? It's made in Swiss. It's a D1200 ball bearing. It seems good, but okay, I think it must be the ball bearing here, and I need to get to it. And now I can. Okay, I'm trying to unscrew the armature here. Yeah, I can unscrew it here. That's great. And we have the ball bearing inside. Just taking out the winding. Okay, it's a lot of dust here. Whew. This ball bearing is moving. It's strange because I was hope that this one will be stuck, but of course we still need to change it. I'll write it down. Yep. So let's screw this. Okay, what ball bearing it is? It's a 6002 ball bearing. I will punch it out. You can punch it easily with a socket. And yeah, it's dry and it can be stuck maybe when it's going on a high speed. And we definitely need to replace it. So for this one, we need to replace the 3 ball bearings. This, and this one. And of course the carbon brushes, so I don't have this ball bearing in my shop, and I will be needed to go to the shop to get it. Yep. Okay, and of course I will be back with the assembling video of this tool. It's a nice tool, interesting tool, and I hope you have the tool like this or the Bosch tool. Okay, for now, thank you for watching. I will be back with the assemble video, with replacing the ball bearings, and for now, just thank you. Bye. See you later.